Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off autocorrect on your Mac computer. So we're going to go to the settings app as usual, right? So let me just go to the settings like this, and in this main page I want you to scroll on the left panel and go entirely to the bottom. And in there, you should be able to find the keyboard and mouse section. So just find a keyboard like this, and you have a couple of settings which you can tweak and so on. But part of the text input here, you can see the input sources, but I want you to click on edit right next to it. So there should be the edit button right next to input sources. When you click on it like this, a new window appears. And when you have all input sources selected, you can now enable correcting the spelling automatically, as well as capitalizing the words automatically. And of course, to reverse it, to turn off the autocorrect, make sure you stop this from being turned on, so no more correcting the spelling. And same thing for the capitalization. So that's how you can turn off the thing, right? Just make sure the autocorrect isn't working. And of course, you can choose that the spelling is set automatically by the language you use, or choose a specific one from the list. But that's essentially everything. You just hit it done, and you can now close the settings menu, the window, to come back to your regular use case of the Mac, and now the words will not be corrected automatically. Let me know if it worked. Subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.